In this tutorial, we'd like to introduce you to our pricing model for Flowtify IoT. Automatic temperature monitoring is a wise investment, regardless of the type of business you run. Incomplete records are a common and critical shortcoming during food inspections. Additionally, it's nearly impossible to verify the accuracy of the data provided by employees. This can lead to unexpected refrigeration equipment failures, resulting in significant losses in terms of revenue. You can purchase the required sensors, receivers, and repeaters directly from us, with a choice of different suppliers. In most cases, customers can expect a return on investment within the first year of purchase. The service life of the batteries is generally 3 to 4 years, depending on the temperature and transmission frequency. By the way, the setup is straightforward and can be performed by yourself in no time at all. In addition to the one-time purchase, there are monthly license and connectivity fees for the 24/7 monitoring of sensors. These fees cover for all the relevant sensor functions within the app and the web dashboard, including push notifications, email alerts in case of failures or deviations, and many other settings. This will ensure a maximum control over all temperatures in your company. Depending on what you need in regard to quality assurance, you can run Flowtify IoT as a standalone solution in combination with either our HACCP documentation software as well as with Flowtify Audit. If you have any further questions regarding Flowtify IoT for automated temperature measurement, please ask for our return on investment calculator.